So, welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about Extrema Ratio Rao. Very strong folder. Stay tuned. Extrema Ratio Rao. Now you will see all the specification. I'm gonna remove now the security pin and we extract the blade. Tanto blade. VidereNecVideri. Vedere per non essere visto in Italian. 185esimo reggimento, acquisizione, obiettivi. Italian Army. Folgore. Now we're gonna cut with this blade, the pin on, for secure the blade. Now the blade is secure. Really strong blade. I never see a folder stronger like the Rao. I try many folder knife, but the Rao is my favorite. We are cutting a lot of tree. This folder. Looks how is strong this folder knife. I need a folder, eh? Extrema Ratio Rao. This one is my favorite folder. It's the strongest that I never try. Never try a folder stronger like that one. With this security pin, it's like you have a full tang knife. Really strong. Look at the thickness. We cut a lot of wood with this one, and the blade, as you can see, is still good. Of course, we are cutting this tree in our property because was sick. Already long year was sick. This knife was made by Extrema Ratio together with the Italian military Folgore, Italian military team Folgore, design especially for them. The only folder knife that I use for cutting the tree. Usually the other folder breaks. Really strong. Gonna try to cut this wood. As you can see, it's cut really good for a beer folder. Very strong. And this wood is really hard. Extrema Ratio Rao. Very recommended. Stay tuned for next video. Thanks for watching.